Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, DP Design, and in this video we are going to see the material library. Okay, how to create the material library. So I was one of them who is getting tired of applying the material each and every time. I was getting frustrated. Okay, so the same material I have to apply for the all the simulations. Like I am in the steel industry. Okay, let's suppose. So I have to create the steel every time. So for that reason, what I have done, I have created the material library. Okay, in that multiple materials I have saved. So whenever I'm going to do the simulations, I don't have to create the material. I just have to drag and drop the material which I want to use, and that will be in my material library. Okay. So how to create the material library? First of all, if you cannot see this option, material library, whenever you are selecting the new part or creating the new model, so there will be no option of material library. So how you can create that? You can just double click on materials and escape, then your material library in the by side of the results. Okay. So that's how you can appear the material library. Now coming to the material library, how you can save the material. Okay, so that I'm going to do. So let's suppose I'm going to give this name as a steel. Okay, now I want to save this material into my material library, so that whenever I'm using the another part for applying the material, so that I don't have to create again. So go to the material and go to this library, and as you can see, there is a library name and create library materials. And model, in model 1 I have only steel. Okay, if I create another material, so that will be also appear in this panel. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to move this material to my library materials. Okay, so create the library first. I will create the library. Let's say I am applying the library uh, industry DP design. Okay, DP design underscore. Now, so I have the material called DP design, the library it is having. I will move the steel material to my DP design library. Okay, under this library there is a material called steel. Okay, if I save this, then the material has been saved. Okay, now you can see. Now if I double click on it, what it will do, material still already exist, overwrite? No, I have to remove this first, and I want to show that how I can move the material. If you double click on it, as you can see, my material has material section has no material in that. So what I can do, I can just click the steel, and you can see material steel has been copied to the current model. Okay, now as you can see, it is moved to my materials. So that's how you can smartly manage your material library by yourself. Whatever material are useful for you, you can continue with that. And yeah, that is it for the video. And keep sharing, keep learning, keep supporting.